Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub and once again I welcome you to my video. Well guys, as the title suggests, learn English for Ielts. Exactly. Let me tell you, sometimes when we prepare for Ielts test, we go deeper and deeper and deeper, and we go in that much depth that we forget Ielts actually stands for International English Language Testing System, right? So it's nothing but a test of English language that tests your English. Now many of us, we always try to get good bench score in Ielts. We aspire to get great bench score in Ielts, but actually we do not focus our English. We only focus Ielts listening, Ielts reading, Ielts writing, Ielts speaking and all that. The tests we take, they are only the tests to test your level of English, that with this present level of English, if you come to Ielts, where do you stand or what sort of bench score will you get? Now, if you want to improve your bench score in Ielts, you have to improve your English. Very simple, very easy. If you improve your English, now for example, if you are getting 5 band, it means your English is equal to 5 band. 5 band means that certain level of English. In order to reach 6 band, what do the students do? They fight a losing battle. They take practice test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, many practice tests, and at the end they get frustrated and they don't know what to do. Let me tell you, always start your language learning, especially if you want to learn English for Ielts, start your practice through listening. The other day I just checked BBC, they've got very good podcast service. So you can listen to BBC English podcasts. They are very good, and podcasts are really good because there you can find a variety of accents. There are different people from different parts of the world and you can find a variety of accents there. So start improving your English from listening. And by the way, listening is fun. Listening is entertainment. You can listen to songs. You can watch movies, that is listening. You can watch documentaries. You can watch different programs. You can watch dramas in English. You can watch comedy programs in English, stand-up comedies in English, and it's all fun. So start with listening. Improve your listening skill. That will directly influence your speaking. Let me tell you, for language, input and output, they are very important. Listening is input, speaking is output. Once you listen, your glass of English is going to overflow. First it is empty, then you start listening, you are pouring English, and then the time is going to come when the glass will be full and then English will come out through your tongue and you will try to speak English the way you listened. The type of English you listen, the type of English you speak. So this is how you got to start. Now let's go on. After that, we've got 2 more skills. One is reading and the second one is writing. Let me tell you, I've told you guys several times, good readers are the good writers. Good readers are the good writers, right? So see, everything has got, the raw material, right? Whenever we make a fine product, we need raw material for that. So for refined writing, the raw material is reading, standard reading. When I say reading, it means standard reading. Do not just read the novels. Don't just focus novels. You need to do academic reading. In order to do that, you need to read some magazines where you find articles on science, technology, research, latest innovations, latest inventions of science, about society, about people, about animals, and for that you can use a variety of articles which are of academic nature. Now you read one article, you read second, you read third, you read fourth, all input is going, and then gradually you will understand the writing style of the writers, and then you will see, okay, they are using these sentences, this sentence structure, these type of words, these type of verbs, and these things will actually go to your subconscious mind. Once you read, and read, you will reach a place, you will reach a time in your life when you will write. And by the way, now when you are going to write, you will try to write what you read. You will try to write the way you used to read. You will try to write what you used to read, and this is how you can improve your writing as well. And by the way, reading is also fun, guys, believe me. Nowadays I am reading some motivational books, and I always read something. I read Ielts books, I read Ielts handouts and articles and all that, and along with that I read motivational books as well. By the way, nowadays I am reading Robin Sharma. So I mean, this type of reading is going to influence my writing one day. So once you improve your listening, your speaking will improve automatically. Once you improve your reading, your writing will improve automatically, and this automatic improvement is going to bring you the band score you desire. Let me tell you, the band score you desire, you will not get that because you desire 8777. Examiner will give you 8777. You have to deserve, and in order to deserve, you have to improve your English. I mean, from band 5 to band 6, your English must switch from band 5 level to band 6 level. This is not possible that your English stays at band 5 level and in Ielts you get band 7. This is truly not possible. This is impossible. So guys, thank you very much. This short video was about English. Learn English for Ielts, and you know Ielts is International English Language Testing System. So without improving your English, you cannot score 8777. There is no secret ingredient to get 8777. There is no backdoor option. There is no under the table thing that somebody comes and says, please give me this much money and I'll give you Ielts certificate, and all fake, all number 2. So you gotta be careful, you gotta beware. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and I teach Ielts online. If you want to join my online Ielts classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly, wholeheartedly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.